SINOTRUK HOWO NX6 by 4 LPG bobtail truck with a 25 cubic meter capacity is customized for heavy-duty fuel delivery in Cameroon. Built on AZZ1 to 57 N4647 B1 chassis, it features a 371 HP WD615.47 Euro to mechanical engine, an HW70 gearbox with an HW70 PTO, a dual-layer frame, VGD95 front axle, and MCX16DG16-ton double rear axles with a 4.803 ratio. The regional package includes 12.00 R20 tires, English instruments, anti-theft fuel and battery boxes, 3 air reservoir straps, and a high metal bumper. The Q345R steel tank is equipped with a mechanical PTO belt-driven Blackmer-type sliding vane pump, a Y strainer, and a local volume flow meter with a printer. Dispensing operations are powered by a LINO 24-volt DC brushless explosion-proof motor, driving a 15-meter high-pressure hose reel via an automated chain gearbox and speed governor. Safety components include pneumatic emergency shutdown valves, dual safety valves, and a Rochester level gauge flange base.